And family are saying goodbye to Pelham police officer Juan Gomez. There's a visitation tonight at Shades Mountain Community Church. Gomez passed away from COVID-19 on Saturday morning. He'd been at UAB Hospital since August 6 battling the virus. Robert Funk was in a small group with Gomez at Shades Mountain Community Church the past 6 years.
Juan was a very giving person and made lots of sacrifices for other people.
Now, Gomez leaves behind a wife and 2 kids. Again, that visitation is tonight at Shades Mountain Community Church. And we have some new developments when it comes to possible booster shots. Federal health officials are expected to recommend those for people 8 months after getting their second shot. Now, this comes just days after the CDC approved those shots for immunocompromised people. Right now, ICUs in Alabama are nearing capacity, and data from the state's hospital association shows that just 2 beds are available right now. At this hour, more than 1,500 people are receiving care in the ICU. 85% of the COVID patients are unvaccinated. And more children are getting sick with COVID-19. The American Academy of Pediatrics is seeing an alarming rise in those numbers. There were 121,000 new pediatric cases last week. Now, experts say that this is continuing a substantial increase. Data shows around 18% of new weekly cases were in children. And COVID cases already popping up in schools across Alabama. According to the Alabama Department of Public Health, school districts reported nearly 6,000 cases as of late last week. And this is presenting a new set of challenges for school nurses. School nurses across the state are following their best practices that were laid out by the Alabama Department of Public Health. Social distancing, frequent cleaning and hand washing, very similar to what was enforced last year. But one of the biggest challenges this year is children returning to school, and some of them haven't been in person since March 2020. Christine McClary, a member of the Alabama Association of School Nurses, says a lot of the lessons they learned last year are going to be helpful and getting them through this year.
I think being really flexible and good lines of communication between the nurses, the teachers, the principals, making sure that children understood that they were safe in school, and that we were there for them and we wanted them to be in school.
And the Alabama Department of Public Health will track COVID cases in each school district on their online dashboard. That should be up and running by mid-September. And when it comes to protecting your child in the classroom, right now vaccines are only approved for children 12 and up. And there are trials for younger children taking place, but those have now been pushed back. An infectious disease professor at UAB, Dr. Jody Dion Odom, says the FDA extended those trials from September to November due to safety concerns. They want more time to observe children after the vaccine. Go ahead and mark your calendars right now. There's a new venue if you're looking to get a shot. This is in Bessemer. The new Bethlehem Baptist Church will offer first and second doses this Thursday. The clinic saw nearly 100 people rolling up their sleeves for the first shot. That happens, and it will be open from 9 to 4. And a lot of residents of Alabama's nursing homes are being cared for by unvaccinated staff. According to the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, only about half of the nursing home employees have received the shot. The good news here, though, is 80% of the residents themselves are vaccinated against the virus. An AARP employee, Jamie Harding, says the nursing home industry itself set a goal for all of its nursing homes to achieve at least a 75% vaccination rate. There are currently no vaccine requirements for nursing home staff or residents in Alabama. The Nursing Home Association believes that vaccine education and freedom of choice are the best options. COVID-19 death totals are approaching 12,000. Almost 5,000 deaths have been in 2021. 7,000 of those deaths were in 2020.